Hello everybody, today I will do about the math on ASVAB again. So let's begin. If the tire of a car rotates at a constant speed of 552 times in 1 minute, how many times will the tire rotate in a half an hour? So that we have this 502 times in 1 minute. However, half an hour is about 30 minutes. So that we have the formula 522 multiplied 30 is equal to 164 times. So that is the total time in the half hour. So that's D. The next one is one in every 9 people in a town vote for party A. All others vote for party B. How many people vote for party B in a town of 810? So we have the 810 people, but 1 out of 9 vote for B, vote for A. So that's the B should be like 810 multiply A divide 9, because 1 minus 1 9 we have A divide 9. That's why we have the ratio, so that we have 720 people. So that's the recipe. The next question is about a motorcycle costs about 7,250. If it depreciates by 12% per year, how much will be worth after 1 year? So that's the cost is about $7,250, but we depreciate about 12% per year. So that's the value for the next year should be like this. Here, this is the formula for depreciation. So that we have 88%. So that should be about 6,380. So that is the result. That's it, the end my video. Thank you for watching.